Hey guys, it's Carolina here from KarolinasKrafts and welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I just wanted to show you guys a couple of card folios that I made using this collection, A Cozy Christmas. Now, I made a bunch of like those 3x4 size mini notebooks with this collection, so I had some paper left over and yeah, at first I thought I was going to do like a different kind of folio, but I was like, you know what? I might as well get a head start on these card folios because they always sell out every year in my Etsy shop. And I'm always like scrambling last minute to make a ton more. So I thought, why not just use some of my scraps to make some card folios? So I'm going to show you guys what they look like, and I will have this collection linked down below in case you guys are interested in getting this collection as well. But let's get started. So these card folios are inspired by Tiffany from Let's Get Scrappy. She has a tutorial on how to make these, and actually let me zoom in just a little bit. So she has a tutorial on how to make these, which is how I would make them all the time usually, but recently I decided I would pull out my 11x17 paper from my stash. So I used my 11x17 paper to do the scoring on these. And so my flaps are a little bit shorter than what Tiffany from Let's Get Scrappy shows you because, again, I was working with 17-inch paper instead of 24 inches like she shows you kind of like in the tutorial. Like she does two 6x12 papers, so it's like 6x24 essentially. I only had 17, so I will show you guys what mine look like. Let me start with this one. So the cover here says, "May the spirit of Christmas bring joy to your heart and love to your home." I decorated with these poinsettia flowers that I get from Hobby Lobby every year, and I just love them. I do stock up on the flowers because I craft Christmas all year long, so I stock up on those, and I did my stitching on the front and back covers, and I have my handmade logo stamp there. It's got a ribbon tie closure, and so when you open this up, here is what it looks like. And Tiffany's, this flap usually comes out to about here. Mine, like I said, is shorter because I was working with 17-inch paper. On the side here, I added some stickers from the collection, and I added in a cut apart that I turned into like a little booklet that just says, "Friends and family gathered near, Christmas Day soon be here." And I also added in 2 photo mats that you can use throughout the card folio, whether you want to use it for a photo and have a white border or you want to just journal on it. You could also, if you wanted to, add a gift card in here, like whatever you want to do. Here I had some extra 4x4 size cut aparts, so I decided to make a flap. So this just says "Peace, Joy, Love," and I did a cute little swing tab closure. So you turn that, and then this opens up and you can do journaling. So if you want, you could add this here. This one doesn't really go unless you cut it down a little bit, but this one will go, or this way, however you want to do it, or just add in a photo, and then you could always add this here and do some journaling, or maybe you want this here, and then that's only going to peek out like a little bit. So if you have a photo on there and you just want to leave a little bit of that white border, that would look fine there also. So you could use the photo mats wherever you want throughout. So you go ahead and just close that back up by flipping the tab. Then this opens up again, and again you can use these photo mats here. They don't really fit on the pocket. I'm trying to like see other ways that you could use it, but I mean, you can add smaller photos on the pocket if you'd like. Those photo mats just wouldn't work, but here you could add something, whether you want to do a photo, write your greeting card message, if you want to send this to somebody. They don't come with envelopes in my Etsy shop, which, by the way, they are available in my Etsy shop in case you guys are interested, but they do not come with envelopes just because they are gusseted. But they are a great gift to give to like your loved ones, and especially if you want to include some holiday photos. I think it's great also for grandparents, so I love it. I mean, you could also just do a couple of photos or not a couple, but you could probably get, I don't know, maybe like if you, depending on how you do your photos, but you could probably do, I'd probably say 2 photos here, but you can do 4 if you make them smaller, like approximately 3 by 3 size photos. You could totally do that. So you could get 4 photos there. You could add photos to the booklet. So you could add like 3 photos here if you wanted to. You could add 1, 2, and then on the back 3, or you could just add 1, but you can do up to 3. You could add photos on those, and then there's another booklet here you could add a photo to, and this just says, "And to all a good night." And then I also have a tag in here. So if you add a photo and you want to add a tag behind it, glue the photo down on 3 sides and add the tag behind it, and that could be your like hidden journal message. So you could do that as well. And then you could also add photo here behind this and underneath it. So you could probably get, what is that, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, like 10-ish photos. And that also, like I said, depends on the size. But if you're gonna go for like 1 photo here and then a journal spot, that's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. I'd probably do 2 photos here, 6, 7, and that's not including all the other sides. You could get anywhere from like 7 photos and up. I'd probably go for 10, but it's up to you. Whoever buys it, whoever receives it, like whoever's going to use it, it's up to them on how they're going to put photos in. So here's the other one that I made using up some scraps. And this one says, "Sending Christmas cheer and love to last through the whole year." Decorated with the poinsettia flowers and some of these gold glittery leafy pieces. Those are from Dollar Tree from like, I don't know, 4 years ago at this point. I stocked up on those too, and I still have them. I haven't needed to buy any more. Added this cute little deer, matted him onto black cardstock, fussy cut him out, and then put him down here. These are my Nouveau Drop enamel dots that I made. Same thing with these. I made all of those. They're not real enamel dots. They are my Nouveau Drops. And I have a video showing you guys how I do that in case you guys want to make some also. It's in my 9 birthday cards video, and I show you guys how I make the enamel dots. Here's the back side. And then when you open this one up, this one looks like this. So on the inside, I have this cut apart that says, "Have yourself a merry little Christmas." Flips open. Little booklet. You've got the 2 photo mats that you could place wherever you want. You've got another swing tab closure here, and this is a cute little fireplace that just says, "The stockings were hung by the chimney with care." This flips open, and then this swings back to keep that closed, and then this opens again. You could add your photos. I've got this journal card here, so you could add a photo directly to the back. And then I've got a tag. So there's definitely space for photos in here and journaling. And I just think they make such a cute gift. So those are the 2 that I made using up scraps from the A Cozy Christmas collection. And yeah, thought I would just get a head start. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. The tutorial for Tiffany's will be linked down below. Just know that mine is a little bit different and I added a couple of other things. And that is everything. So thank you guys so much for watching, and I will see you guys in my next crafty video. Talk to you soon. Bye.